Do you know our planet Earth has a continuous sound called Earth's hum? Got curious about that? So let's dive into it. Deep within, the Earth hums with a subtle vibration, a sound that resonates through its very core. This Earth hum, undetectable to our ears, can only be revealed through advanced scientific instruments. Scientists study its frequencies, searching for answers to its origin and what it tells us about our planet's dynamic processes. The Earth hum, a gentle reminder that beneath our everyday lives, our planet vibrates with a captivating symphony of its own.